The DJI Osmo Action 6 has finally arrived, and it promises to take the action camera market by storm. This new release marks a significant step forward in terms of both performance and design, offering professional-grade features in a sleek, compact form. Whether you're a vlogger, content creator, adventure seeker, or tech enthusiast, the DJI Osmo Action 6 has something for everyone. In this video, we will dive deep into its groundbreaking specifications, new features, price, and release date, giving you all the information you need to know before making your purchase. Introduction to the DJI Osmo Action 6. The DJI Osmo Action 6 continues the legacy of its predecessors, but with major improvements that make it a standout choice in the crowded action camera market. DJI has been a leader in drone technology, and its expertise is clearly visible in the design and functionality of the Osmo Action series. With the Action 6, DJI has redefined what users can expect from a compact action camera. But what exactly makes the Osmo Action 6 different from its competitors? Let's take a closer look at the key features and innovations that set this camera apart. 1. Revolutionary camera sensor for stunning image quality. One of the most exciting upgrades in the Osmo Action 6 is the all-new camera sensor. DJI has equipped the Action 6 with a larger, more advanced sensor, allowing it to capture sharper images and videos in a wider range of conditions. Whether you're filming in bright sunlight, dimly lit environments, or even low-light situations, the new sensor ensures the footage remains clear, vibrant, and detailed. Key features. Larger sensor size. Captures more light for better low-light performance. Improved dynamic range. Allows for more detail in both shadows and highlights. Better color accuracy. Provides more vivid and true-to-life colors, even in challenging lighting conditions. 2. 5.3K video recording at 60 frames per second, crystal clear footage. For those who want to capture ultra-high-definition footage, the DJI Osmo Action 6 delivers 5.3K video recording at 60 frames per second. This allows you to record stunning, cinematic-quality videos with incredible clarity and smoothness, even in fast-paced action shots. Why choose 5.3K? More detail. 5.3K resolution provides sharper, more detailed footage compared to 4K. Enhanced editing flexibility. When shooting in 5.3K, you can crop and zoom in during editing without losing quality, giving you more creative control. Future-proof. With 5.3K, your footage will look amazing on all screen sizes, including large 4K and 8K TVs. 3. Advanced image stabilization. Smooth footage in any situation. No action camera is complete without excellent image stabilization, and DJI knows this better than anyone. The Osmo Action 6 comes equipped with Rocksteady 3.0 and Horizon Steady, DJI's most advanced stabilization technologies yet. How does it work? Rocksteady 3.0 uses electronic image stabilization to ensure your footage remains smooth and stable, even in rough conditions. Horizon Steady keeps the horizon level, even when the camera is rotated or tilted, perfect for action shots where you're constantly on the move. Whether you're capturing a mountain biking adventure or a ski run, the Osmo Action 6 will provide buttery smooth footage with minimal effort. 4. 8x slow motion. Capture every detail of your action shots. For content creators and filmmakers, the ability to capture slow motion footage is a game changer. The DJI Osmo Action 6 supports 8x slow motion, allowing you to record in stunning detail at 240 frames per second. Slow motion features. 8x slow motion dramatically slows down high-speed action, letting you capture every frame in perfect detail. Up to 240 frames per second. Ideal for fast-moving subjects like sports, wildlife, and action scenes. Crisp and clear. Thanks to the high frame rate, your slow-motion footage will be smooth, not choppy. 5. Front and rear touchscreens. Ultimate convenience for vloggers. The Osmo Action 6 features dual screens. A front-facing screen for selfies and vlogging, and a larger rear touchscreen for easier navigation. This is a huge advantage for creators who want to see themselves while recording, ensuring they stay in frame and properly lit. Front-facing screen. Perfect for vloggers. The front screen lets you see yourself while recording, making it easier to capture your best angles. Improved clarity. The new front screen is brighter and clearer, even under direct sunlight, helping you get the perfect shot every time. Rear touchscreen. User-friendly interface. The larger touchscreen on the back makes it easier to navigate settings and preview shots. Responsive. The screen is highly responsive, even with wet or gloved hands, ensuring that you can adjust your settings on the fly. 6. Waterproof design, ready for any adventure. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is designed to handle extreme environments. It is waterproof up to 10 meters without needing an additional case, making it perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and surfing videos. More about the waterproofing. 10 meters waterproof. Ideal for underwater filming without extra accessories. Shockproof. Can withstand drops from up to 1.5 meters, making it incredibly durable for outdoor adventures. Dustproof. The rugged design ensures it can handle dusty trails and sandy beaches. The DJI Osmo Action 6 features a larger battery that provides up to 2.5 hours of continuous recording at 4K 30 frames per second, making it ideal for long shoots or travel days. Benefits of the long battery. 2.5 hours of shooting time. Capture more without constantly swapping batteries. Fast charging. Get back to filming quickly with USB-C fast charging, allowing you to fully charge the battery in just 90 minutes. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is powered by artificial intelligence, AI, which enhances its autofocus capabilities and adds advanced tracking features. The AI-powered face and object tracking will automatically lock onto your subject, keeping them in focus while you move. AI features. Face tracking. The camera will recognize and track faces, keeping them in sharp focus throughout the shot. Object tracking. AI will follow moving subjects, ensuring they stay centered in the frame even when you're on the move. The Osmo Action 6 introduces new video modes that offer even more creative options for users. Whether you're filming a cinematic short or capturing an adventure vlog, these modes provide more control and flexibility. New video modes. Cinematic mode, for smooth, film-like footage with the highest dynamic range. Timelapse Pro. Capture stunning time-lapse sequences with customizable settings. Hyperlapse. Get smooth motion time-lapse shots, even while moving. The DJI Osmo Action 6 will be priced competitively, with the standard model expected to retail for $399. There will also be a creator bundle that includes additional accessories like a wireless microphone, tripod, and carrying case, priced at $499. Expected release. Pre-order. Available for pre-order starting in late summer 2026. Conclusion. Is the DJI Osmo Action 6 worth it? The DJI Osmo Action 6 is undeniably one of the most powerful and versatile action cameras on the market. With its 5.3K video recording, advanced image stabilization, AI tracking, and waterproof design, it is an excellent choice for content creators, vloggers, and adventurers who need a reliable and durable camera for capturing high-quality footage. Whether you're looking to film your next big adventure or create cinematic vlogs, the Osmo Action 6 delivers everything you need in a compact, user-friendly package.